go to Ivy Bactari school and tests. You know, there's just all these tests have really been weird. Hey, what am I doing? No, I have a dumb idea. Tell me, please. Oh, what I'm thinking is that if I tell these idiots to run, where am I going? Hey, Kiki. Damn it! No! I can't make it. Okay, no wasting time. I truly do not have brain cells. Hi. How am I gonna do this? God damn it. Like, if you don't do it... Like, I don't want him walking, because if he does walk, he's not... Okay. Come on. Lord! Flipping game. Okay, good. I just really hope, man. Cut. Fucking damn it. Oh, why is there only one? I'll wait back. I did it, guys, after I don't know, I don't remember, and I don't want to remember, but I finally did it. Oh, I just feel so good. Sorry guys, I have to rest. Sorry guys, I had to grab something to eat. Jesus Christ, that took forever. I don't care if I beat them all. I swear that'd be some men these days. He's not even wasted, he's a zombie, get it right. Unless these people are just, in general, wasted. No, I have to, escape the bobbies. This is the incorrect way of doing it. What you... Quick. Scream to damage his ears when he's nearby, so your zombies can get some chunks into him, which will then kill him. No, he doesn't need to call new zombie. He somehow loses all his weight and muscles and become a me. And yes, if you do kill these people, which you can, you would have to be very quick about it. So you have to be real quick about this if you want to kill them. I mean, it's possible, but I ain't got to run anything to them. There's no one in the room with you, zip it. People are screaming, yeah. Those are horror movies when you're, like, stuck in that bathroom. So, like... Get riggedy roasted, your friend, the, Senos. Let's say sober. I said sober meant drunk. You got me that? What are you doing? You're like beating it. Can't let you do that, Mr. Freeman. Oh, sweet shot. Got him. Got him. Now, I always wanted to see if I can jump up there and just explode and see that would kill him. So then he would die from fall damage. Whichever one comes first. Oh god, guys, you're not making this. You're not making this easy. Oh, I don't have explosives. It doesn't even matter. What I can do, I guess, is... Yay! Okay. Damn it! That's it, cool. You fucker. Oh no, you're gonna be ambushed by a whole bunch of zombies. What? No. My colony of people. You'll break them long enough. Let me see. calling you people to be sacrificed. Sacrifice to the goddess right now. I don't know. Christ, so. Now, if I believe in Christ, this would be a freaking anti-sins be over here. Ooh. Screeching. No! There's the last place you get out. Unless he morphed out, I just... No, he's up there. Just attract less attention. Oh. Now here comes in how the fuck am I supposed to do this? I have an idea. You need to stay over there. Stay. Stay where I can see you. I start naked. Did you even get up there? This ain't Cry of Fear where you find that one creature on the roof for some bizarre reason. The flying creature. I don't know. Oh, what am I doing? Non-intelligent. Non-intelligent. That's my boy. That's my boy. What is... Did I fail? Where did he warp? Where's the DJ? Where did you go? Did I fail already? No, it doesn't say I failed it. That's the explosion, I heard it. So what I'm thinking of doing is... I can bounce him over here. I have a bunch of supplies in there, so... 3 minutes, I might as well just do this and end the video. My strategy, if I am right, let me do this. Do this. Explode. What? You what, mate? You be a siege tank or something? I don't respect siege tanks. My town. Yeah, you better fall. Fall to play. Like, we gotta make this as quick as possible. Turn you into a hunter so it's much quicker as a hunter. Don't run from me, Daddy. I got you. Yes! I got it. You're cornered, my dude. No, it's like that dumb image I found. They all start getting their ass handed to them. Not anymore. With Flex Seal, it seals all. I was gonna get a brain. I did not expect it to be that hard. One GJ and then he went like... Nerd! Nerds! When your uncle comes in. When your girlfriend gets too attached, the dragon yourself. I'm an evil. Zomboss is a Terminator, and the only way to kill him, I think, is by electricity, so... I think you have to drop him off somewhere where, like, it'll be electrical, and he'll get shocked to death. Because I think he could survive water, or is it water? No, it's electricity.